Ready to swap your Bitcoin for XRP? Let's get you started. First things first, you'll need a cryptocurrency exchange that supports both Bitcoin and XRP. Some popular choices are Binance, Kraken, and Coinbase. Create an account on your chosen exchange and verify your identity. This usually means uploading a photo ID and maybe even a selfie. Next, deposit your Bitcoin. Transfer it from your personal wallet or another exchange to your trading account. Now, find the XRP BTC trading pair. This is where the magic happens. Place your order. Decide how much Bitcoin you want to spend and at what price you want to buy XRP. You can go with a market order for a quick buy or set a limit order for a specific price. Finally, complete the trade. Once your order is filled, the exchange will convert your Bitcoin to XRP and credit your account. Remember, check the fees and prioritize security. And always, only invest what you can afford to lose.